Canva just dropped some amazing new features as part of their Droptober. In this video, I'm focusing on the exciting AI features they've introduced, so let's jump right in. Dreamlab is an AI-powered tool that lets you create stunning photorealistic images, illustrations, storyboards, and even 3D renders, all based on your own prompts. Let me walk you through how to use Dreamlab. First, access Dreamlab from the Canva homepage by clicking on Dreamlab. Next, enter your description. Type a detailed description of the image you want to create. The more specific you are, the better the results. You can type in up to 1,500 characters, which is a lot compared to the old Magic Media that allowed you to enter only 450 characters. I used ChatGPT to help me generate a detailed prompt, and I'll paste it here. Basically, I want to generate an image of a two-tiered outer space themed birthday cake topped with a sugar astronaut planting a happy birthday flag. Then pick the image dimension that fit your project. I'll stick with the square format and select a style preset. There are lots of different options here. I'll choose the vibrant style for now. Click on Create and let the AI work its magic. It may take a few moments to process. As you can see, the number up here has changed. With a Canva Pro subscription, you can generate up to 500 images per month with Dreamlab. When it's done, you can view the generated images. You can generate up to 4 images per prompt. You can click on an image to see it bigger. Here, you can choose to use it in a design or download it to your computer. You can also delete the generation prompt if you want to keep the space more organized. With these buttons, you can quickly download and use it in a design. When clicking on the 3 dots here, you can also open the image in a design. Both Create Design and Edit Image will send you to a new design with the image in it. I'll click on Create Design, and now I can start designing with it. The generated images will also be in Uploads tab, so you can use them in all of your designs. Now, let's move on to the next feature from this Droptober, the Supercharged Magic Write. If you have used Magic Write before, you know it's a nice option to rewrite text in your design without leaving Canva. This time, Canva has upgraded it to much more than that. It's like a mini ChatGPT inside your design. Let's try it out. Magic Write is located on the main panel when you're in a doc design. In other types of designs, you will find it on the left side of the page. I'll follow this little guide Canva created to try the new Magic Write. I'll complete the prompt with my name, job role, and my favorite work lunch. Now I have a few options from here. I can select the text, click on the pencil icon, and choose one of the options, like shortening the text or making it more formal. But you can also write a custom prompt like turning the text into a list, for example. But this is an example of a prompt. It says, please write me a short professional bio describing my work personality based on my favorite lunch. So what I need to do is deselect the text after copying it, click on Magic Write and paste it in the prompt. Now Magic Write will generate what I asked for. A short professional bio describing my work personality based on my favorite lunch. I can click more like this to get another version of the text it generated, or click on this but to keep the text but change something in it. For example, make it more casual and short. I'll hit generate and it will rewrite my text according to what I've asked. I can copy it or insert it directly into my doc. I will click on Magic Write again. You can also write the prompt directly here or use one of the suggestions Canva offers, for example, podcast outline. You can use these different options to get ideas of what you can do with Magic Write. So to summarize, Magic Write is kind of a light ChatGPT version inside Canva, so you can generate any kind of text you need without leaving the platform. It's important to note that Canva free users have 50 lifetime Magic Write uses, while Canva Pro users have up to 500 uses per billing month. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. To learn how to create a consistent character in Canva using the old Magic Media and easily apply these methods to the new Dreamlab, Check out my next tutorial. I'm sure the results will be spectacular. See you there.